Ah, we're back. Right, yeah, we're back. Well, we've just come back to start where we was before. Right, now this is what I'm talking about. Now I've messaged my friend, right, and he's always watching. Right, sound, right, anyway, good, this is good. This is all looking nice and dandy, right? Now all we've got to do is operate it. Right, here we go. Now you want to see it working, don't you? Right, okay. Oh, there goes the can. Right, so... And I've even built a pin for the top. Oh, look at that. Right, now I've even built a pin for the top. Yeah, the weather's just, weather never stops me, does it, huh? Just got to keep going and forget about it. Right, pins. Right, here we go. Right, here we are, eh? Right. Sound up today, son. Got the pin. I've got the pin. There. Right, right. Now then. Oh, you are heavy, aren't you? Right, happy days, happy days. Right then, right in it goes. There we are. Now don't mess us around. Don't start showing off now. Oh, you little bastard. Okay. Alright. Reading. Foxy. Foxy me, lads. Ah. There we are. Here's the pin. Now we can get somewhere without knocking everything over, can't we? Oh, I don't fucking like that. Really outrageous. Ah, what we gonna that just seems a little bit late. What are we going to do? It's getting wet out here. Right. You see this? It just seems a little bit out. Oh, now, do you know what? I think it has to do with these holes up here. Okay. Put them up your arse, Anne. Right. No. Dropped a bit. Oh wow. Here we go. This is really getting on my fucking nerves. See this? Annoying. Very annoying. This is not even lined up very good. It's rubbish. Fucking do it. Oh, anyway. Ah, right. Yeah. That is good. Not this. This now I need to just fix the problem. Alright? Yeah, fix the problem. I don't think, right? Stretch that out. See? Whoops. Right. Now this. Ooh. Cut that, fold that way. Bend it, fold it, cut. Yeah. Right. Now we know where we're going at. Right. Now we know where we're going. Now we're going to cut this, right, what we're going to do is we're going to cut, because it don't seem very good. Right, this is what I'm talking about. Now, look at the bottom. Watch when I turn this bar. Hey? It sits off. It's not sitting in line. So what we need to do now, guys, is this. Are you watching? Nice it through there. Hold it that way. Right, let's get on it. Right, now, is this going to reach? Right. Twisting it down yet again, innit? All my fucking stuff's getting wet. Fucking joke this weather is. Right guys, we're gonna run off in here. I'm gonna get fucking annoyed. And you fucking will. Right. Now out there is fucking shit. My camera's wet, my phone's wet. What do we do about it? Fuck all. British weather. Right, anyway. Now this is holding me back. My coat's getting wet now. Here we are. Look, my lovely wax jacket for Ferreton's getting wet. Right. Now this is getting on my nerves. I wasn't expecting this fucking rain today, you know. Right, anyway. Well, I wasn't anyway. I mean, I've got things to do and it's raining. What do we do about that? Nothing. No one will lend me their yard. Because you know why? You're all selfish bastards. Yeah, they are. And then, yeah. You know, you help people, they don't help you. They're fucking wankers, that's why. They call them selfish bastards. Yeah. They think about themselves, but not anyone else. That's a very true word, isn't it? Huh? Well, what can we do about it? Not a lot, mate. Well, I'll tell you what we can do about it. We can still work, can't we? We can still get on and do this project. Right. Because this is what we're going to do. We're going to beat that out of there. That's only out a little bit. But, holding that and cutting that, do we want to do that? Yeah, let's do it, Hank. Alright, mate. Alright. Right. Now, That prick up there won't come out. Fucking he will come out. I'll tell you one way to get him out. Right. You get a bolt like this and you smash it out. So you get him out. Right. Now, let's get on mine nails. Right. There. Oh, look at that. Now that just fell straight out of there like a glove. Yes. And in a minute, we have to put it all back together again to make sure that it's all in line. Right. Can you see this, guys? Woot! And there we have it. Right. No. We need to go down a little bit more, huh? Woot! Ah! Now the camera is really tilted upside down. Now. Right then, here we go. Now, what we're going to do, we're gonna rock and roll. We're gonna roll. Now, we've cut all corners. Now, we've done all what we needed to do. Now, all we've got to do is bend it and re-weld it. Very good. They call that very special. That's what they call that. Right. Now, all we've got to do, and there we are. Now it's stopped raining. Do we believe the weather forecast? Yes, we do. Right. Now then. Now, what we need, there's a little bit of progress going on down in here. Right, this is what we need. Ah, now I think you'll be able to manage sitting there for a moment. Now it's getting wet again. Yeah, it is, Ant. It is indeed, Ant. Right, we need to get rid of all this gooey stuff. Right, get in there. How dare you defeat me? Right. Fuck off. You are getting on my bloody tits. You're getting on my bloody tits. Right. We won't have it anymore. Fuck you. Fucking whore. Oh, for fuck's sake. Fucking get in there. Fucking piece of shit. That's fucking getting on my nerves now. Right, now what we need to do is we need to prise it open a bit. But it's looking very good. Right. Now that is what we call fairly special stuff. You ain't falling over, are you? Hey, good girl. Very nice. Right. Now, are you the dead the same? That's the problem, right? Are you the same as before? Or have you made any progresses? Or have you made any kind of progress? Progress on me. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ah, look. That looks really nice, doesn't it, eh? Right, we need it to hang there for a moment. Right, guys, let me bring you out here. Hopefully it stops raining. Right. Now, if you look at the crane, whee! There's a nice little slit. But, it's looking very special today. Yes, now. That's looking more straighter anyway, right. So it's actually good that I cut that, really. But we need to just bring it out a little bit more. Right. We are going to keep it like that. Because we want it to hang so it splits it open like that. And then... The cold is getting on my nose. Really disgusting, that. Huh. No, I think we're getting somewhere. I think we're getting somewhere. But, just had to blow my nose because I've got a bit of a cold. It's fucking winding me up. Yeah, I know, don't even talk about it, guys. It's really getting on my nose. Coughing, sneezing, farting, shitting. Right, but anyway, we need to get on and weld this up. Fuck the cold, don't worry about that because I'm not interested. Right, what I'm interested in is this. Start the welder up, man. Right, yeah, let's do that then, son. Oh, well, it's not working. Why? Oh, I know why. Because my knob's plugged into it. Right, that can come out because that battery charges a load of shit anyway. Right. That can go in there. Oh! We've got some power. Right, here we go. Now, this is what was going to happen here today. Right, let's get the clamp out. Come on. Clamp actually nipple, weld it back together. Right, anyway. Right, oh! Now we're going to really, according to the weather, you'll have a rain. You'll have a weld in the rain, you know? Right, anyway. Right, out, where's your gun? There it is. No, not that kind of gun, guys. Right. No, what we need is that. Motherfucker off of there. We need a longer hose. Well, we've got a longer hose, right? Here we are. Now I can go all the way out here. Can weld up out here if I want. Yeah, right. No, what we need to do now, before we start welding, let's hook that up there for a moment. What this is more important. We need to shave the metal down to get a nice clean base. You fucking little slag. This is how accidents happen. How can I can't use that blade. I haven't got no more. I need to get some. So, I've got to go careful on the blades what I'm doing with them. So, therefore, Ant, that means get your get your quarry out, right? And go and get some decent blades. Right, now that means swap the blade over, clean the metal down, fart on it, and then weld it, right? This is what it fucking means. Stop being a lazy cunt, now get some blades. Right. Any more plug, mate? There we go, well, you wind it back together, it will. Right. Ooh. I've done it this way before. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you stand up. You stand up. Yeah, stop flaking. Right. Right, no. That took me ages holding it out there. I'm only joking, I had it resting on the ply board. Right, anyway. No, this is what we need to do. We need to get some fucking metal together. Oh, Anthony! What have we got here? Right, this is good stuff. Well, that was just, oh, that's a bit heavy though, isn't it? Right. He's something a little bit thin. Right. What are you saying a little bit thin in here, Anne? If you want to be thin, or what? Are you just going to play with yourself all day? Right. This is what you call thin. If I had a metal bender, I'd be able to bend that into shape, wouldn't I? Now that's the next thing I need to invent. A metal bender. Oh, that looks really exciting. Right. Now. Oh, yeah. Very sweet, Acme, that. Right. Now, at least we know where we're going. Ah. Now, you can open up your jaws if you want. Right. Raining again. Don't worry about it, because I'm not. I'm still going to weld in the rain. Because I can. Right. This is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be welding this into there because I can. But, is it going to affect anything? What about if I weld it in there though? Like that. Because we don't want it breaking, do we guys? No, we don't. Right, so that means that we get injured, right? So that means, do it properly, weld that, slice into there. And then we just patch all these up. Right, it's alright by the metal bender. There we are, right, but anyway. We need to bend this. How can we bend this? I can bend this. Huh? I'm turning. Ah. Right. Now you need to stop playing some games. Now we need to find a way to bend this. fucking start this rubbish. Open your door, the fucking door. No, I'm not happy about this. Because now the video's playing and we're not getting anything done, are we? Right. Now, right. Alright then, if that's the case, we're going to change this bloody blade over again, right? We're going to go from there. What do you think about that? Well, anyway, I think we should just weld that piece of metal in there. No, it's too thick, it's going to be too heavy, and it's going to piss me off, so no. Right. So this is what we're going to do. This is what's coming done. Right. No, this is what we're going to do, Anne. This is exactly what we're going to do, Mush, right? Mush? Yeah, Mush, right, listen. Right, now, this is what we're going to do. Get your blade. Right, we're going to cut a nice section out of there. Not section, right? You guys have got fucking sex on the brain, man. Anyway, right, this is what we're going to do. Sex on the brain, I love it. Here we go. We're gonna cut a mountain fucking little pig. Right. Now. Let's go. Right. Our chickens are roasted. Lock it over. There we are. Now that is going to be hot, but we need to work with it. We need to get to work with it, right? So that's hot. Yeah, is that hot, Ant? Yeah, it's hot. Right, so this is what we're going to do. Right, we're going to slip it in there. We're going to ram it in his mouth like that. Oh, actually, Ant, that actually looks pretty good, mate. Did you make that yourself? Yeah, I did. You got a problem with that or what? Right, anyway. No! That's what we're going to do. We're going to play with it like a pro. Ah, it's getting dark, Anthony. What are you going to do now? Well, it's not getting dark. It looks like it's going to sort of throw it down the rain. So, we need to get this welded in. Come on then, Ant. Where's your helmet? Right, it's over there, mate. Right then. So this is your helmet. You put that, not that helmet. This helmet. Look, guys, stop being rude, man. Right, this helmet, not. Right. Now stop doing these fucking dirty little jokes, aren't they? Let's get welding son. Want me, it's the other people. Right, anyway, here we go. Now it looks like we're going the right way. Now I'll tell you what, you're looking nice. No, I might take you down, you know. I might take you out on a date. Right. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this bit of metal out on the date. Right, let's say you do that. Right, and get your cups here. There we are. Right, anyway, let's have you. Right, now this is really getting on my nerves here now. This piece of metal don't want to go on the date. Well, it is. You can fuck off. Right. No. No. that went. Oh well. You get on there. Right. I need to take a large piece of metal on the date. Right. There's a date cut for this. It's down here. Right, you're ready, love. Alright. Alright. No, we're not ready. It's going to rain in a minute and the camera's going to fall over. So, guys, let's take this piece of metal on the date, shall we? Start welding. Oh, but this one don't drink tea, this one drinks weld. Alright, love, hold on. Oh, here we are. That's right, anyway, right, that's that done. Well, that looks really good. All I've got to do now with that is sand it down. Right, Anne, just turn her over, like that. That's it, turn her over, and then we're going to weld her in here, alright? That's what we're going to do. But I can't really see it at the moment, because it's getting dark. Well, I think it's just the weather actually, Anne, to be honest with you, mate. And also, we've also got to weld this so no fucking water gets in. But we also want to weld a plate to that, don't we? And, right, yeah mate, yeah, we want to weld a plate to that, do we? Or not, or should we just weld it straight in? No, I think, yeah, I'll tell you what, we'll weld this bottom in, and we'll weld the plates to the sides. See, that sounds good actually. Alright, we'll do that. Well, that just jumped in a bit of a weld there. That was very special, that. Okay. So, we ain't got to really do a lot with that, have we? I mean, that was literally pretty straightforward. But we're going to see how it goes when it operates. It's like an operation, this, isn't it, huh? Yeah, it is, Ant, isn't it? Yeah. Right, now this is what we're going to do. Drop that plate down there, Ant. Right. Oh, fucking do that again. I want you to go that way. Right, this is what we're going to do. Ah, right, so that means, did we weld in the top? I don't know, Ant. Right, but anyway, let's have a look. Should we have a look? Let's have a look. Ah, no, we didn't. Oh, look at that. It's a nice little slit there. But anyway, should we just weld that in as well, then? Yeah, we'll just do that, mate. Alright. Yeah, happy days, sound. Get welding then, son. Wait on a minute, because I've got to cut this off. Ah. Right. Now for the cord. Oh, it's cracked. Oh, mate, right. Stay there. Ah, do you reckon we can weld that into there, guys? Let's weld it into there. Is that gonna work, hasn't it? Hasn't it? Yeah, that'll work, look. Na, 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 na. That melts it in. Give it some fucking heat, and then that will melt in. Now that's what we like. We like melting metal, don't we? Right, yeah. Oh, right. So that just knocked me up a little bit there. Yeah, these sparks are getting on my nerves. Get out being one dozen. There we are, right. Now that shouldn't break. Well, I say it shouldn't, right? But anyway. No, it won't, right? The welding's good, mate. Yeah, alright, mate, so. Right, but anyway. No. This is what we need to do. We need to weld up the sides. Oh, do we need to weld up the sides? Should we weld up the sides? What do you think, guys? Nah, I don't think we need to. Yeah, we do. Turn it over. That's it. Like that. Right, that's it. Like that, yeah? No, not like that. Fucking get back up there, you little slave. Like that. You fucking will. You fucking Philistine. Fucking hard to get people to listen. No, I'm getting wet now. My arse is getting wet. It's not funny. Right, anyway. No, it's not funny. It's not. Fuck off. Right. This is what we need to do here, Ant. We need a weld. Ah! Look at that. And then we're going to weld in the other side. We're going to make it stronger, you know. We're gonna make it stronger, baby. We're gonna make it like a professional. We're professional. We're professionals round here. Right, this is what we're gonna do. Right, we have to cut that off, so then we can carry on continue welding, right. When I say continue welding, I mean continue welding. Right, can you see? Cheeky bastard. Yeah. What do you reckon that then, Ann? Yeah, good mate, sound. Ooh. Just take the size there. Right, that's getting a bit hot out here. But anyway, I can't see because I ain't got no daylight, so what do we do about that? Not a lot. Right, fucking hell, that's getting on my lungs, that stuff. Whoo, damn. I'll be an old man before you know it. Right then. Right then. No, that's that done. I mean, that is that, very good. Sorted. Very fucking special stuff, that. Right. Now that is a really hot piece of metal now, so we don't really want to be touching that, do we? Right. No, we don't. What we need to do, we need to really make sure that it's all lined up when we put it back together. Right, let's go. Oh, well, you just stay there. Oh yeah, you can stay there like that, okay, mate. Happy days. Oh, happy days. Right then, people, we are going to make sure it's all lined up again. Don't forget to tell all your friends.